My name is Colin Hopper, and today I'm going to be presenting my Indigenous land map assignment. The first place I chose is Barrie, Ontario. This is the area where I grew up, went to high school, and I still have lots of family and friends that live there. Right. The traditional territory in Barrie consists of the Haudenosaunee Confederacy, commonly referred to as the Iroquois or Six Nations. The Iroquois consisted of Seneca, Cayuga, Oneida, Onondaga, and Mohawk tribes, and eventually the Tuscarora people joined early in the 18th century, and that's when they became known as the Six Nations. The treaties covered in Barrie. The territory is covered by the Upper Canada Treaty and Williams Treaties in 1923, as well as the Lake Simcoe Treaty number 16 and Lake Simcoe-Nottawasaga Treaty number 18. Indigenous communities now. The Barrie Native Friendship Center was incorporated on April 11, 1988 and became a member of the Ontario Federation of Indigenous Friendship Centers in October 1988. Since its inception, the Friendship Center has grown to serve specific community needs through programs and services ranging from educational, social, and cultural activities. The second place I chose is Lindsay, Ontario. It's where I attend school right now, and I've built a close relationship with many of my fellow classmates as well as some faculty. The traditional territory of Lindsay area is owned by the Mississaugas of Scugog Island First Nation, who moved into southern Ontario from their former homeland north of Lake Huron around the year 1700. This area is covered by the Williams Treaty 1923 as well, and the Rice Lake Treaty number 20, 1818. Indigenous communities now. Local employment is now available to First Nation members. The population has increased considerably, and their efforts are being undertaken to revitalize the culture. Restoration of the Mississaugas language in the community is underway, and elder teachings are being conducted in the community. An international attended powwow held each summer grows annually. The future looks brighter for the Mississaugas of Scugog Island First Nation. The third place I chose is Kilbear Provincial Park. This is one of my favorite places to go camping. It's my first camping trip, and I've been going back there ever since. The territories covered are Huron, Wendat, Ottawa, Mississauga Eastern, Ojibwe. The treaties, the only treaty I could find would be the Robertson-Huron Treaty of 61, 1850. Indigenous communities now. National Aboriginal Day at Kilbear Park is held annually. Last year was hosted by Christine Scott and her mother from Wasukuking First Nation. They focused on many events and educated many visitors at Kilbear Park. And here are my references. And that's it. Thank you.